Hi campers, I hope you've got your tent up ready and you are looking forward to an evening in the garden. It's going to be beautiful weather, and what better way to listen to Mr. Kennedy's bedtime story than with popcorn, or even better, a mug cake. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and hopefully you'll enjoy it whilst you're listening to the story. So first job is to wash your hands really well. And then the next thing is you need a few ingredients, and the ingredients hopefully will be coming up on the screen. So you need self-raising flour, caster sugar, cocoa powder, 1 egg, some milk, some vegetable or sunflower oil, a few drops of vanilla essence, and optional if you want some nuts or raisins or chocolate chips. So I'm going to go with just a very plain chocolate mug cake. So this is how you do it, hopefully. Okay, so first thing is you need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, and you need to get a really big mug because we don't want it spilling over in the microwave. So 4 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight into the mug, and then 4 tablespoons again, this time of caster sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now, I haven't actually got cocoa powder, so I'm cheating a little bit. I'm using drinking chocolate, which is pretty much the same. So 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's getting full already. And then what you need to do is add, in fact, we'll just stir that around a little bit. I'm using a fork to stir mine, just to get the little any lumps out. And you should, if you're making the chocolate one, you should end up with a mixture that looks a little bit, you can see it like that. If you want to make a vanilla one, just don't put the chocolate in. Okay. So then we're going to put in 1 medium egg. I've already cracked it open. Ooh. Okay, so I had a bit of a disaster with that egg, showing you the egg. So I've got a different egg now. See, the other egg is all over the table. So you pour the egg, 1 egg into your mug successfully, along with 3 tablespoons of milk, 1, 2, 3, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil. 1, 2, 3, and you definitely need a big mug, it's filling up really quickly. And then a few drops of vanilla extract. Okay, right, that's all the ingredients safely in the mug. And then you want to spend a little bit of time mixing it all in, getting all the powder mixed in, all the dry ingredients mixed in with the wet ingredients. So that's why I quite like using a fork. Give it a stir. And at the minute it doesn't look very appetizing, but I promise it will be delicious. Okay, so once it's all mixed in, you're going to put it in the microwave, in the centre of the microwave, for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, or until when you touch the top, get an adult to touch the top of the cake, and if it's firm, it's ready. So I'll see you in a minute. So So this is what it looks like after 2 minutes, and you might want to split the mixture between 2 cups because it is quite full. So here we go. Delicious. Okay, enjoy your camping night, everybody. The weather's going to be glorious. Enjoy the story and all the games and your family. See you soon. Bye.